another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we are looking at ear stones, right? Now I have a couple ear stones that I've been using over for a while, right? But what happened is that these ear stones, they have been so stuffed up with hard water that's actually something looking like, some little white shelly things in the hole itself. So what happened is that these hard water residue have actually prevented the smooth flow of air from my ear pump through my ear stone, which comes up into my aquarium. As a result of that, I'm not getting the airflow that I would need in my aquarium. As it try to oxygenate, as my ear pump try to oxygenate my aquarium. So today I be using vinegar so as to sort this out. Stay tuned as I carry through the process. This is what you call another aquarium hack. So the ear stone have been into this container, should I say cup, with vinegar for a bit, right? The first time when I showed you, not much bubbles was coming from it. Let's see how it's like now. Much more bubbles than before, as the pores in the ear stone. As the pore in the ear stone, the pores in the ear stone is now considered much more clearer.